Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.79. Now, let us examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of -53.14%. This equates to an average daily loss of -4.09% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further decline within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 60% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -68% and -43%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected decline of approximately 42%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -72% to +168% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.67 and $25.80. Our latest daily update for SOXL highlights a volatile ride for the SOXL ETF price on Thursday, moving between $8.36 and $11.14. The SOXL ETF price experienced a decline of 24.59% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, dropping from $12.77 to $9.63. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 33.33%, reaching a low of $8.36 and a high of $11.14. The price has decreased on 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 45.78% during this time frame. The trading volume also fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is a positive sign since volume should ideally follow the ETF's trend. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 96 million shares, with a total of 679 million shares traded for approximately $6.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price sits 86.26%, or $60.45 below the 52-week high, and 97.45%, or $368.61, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The recent announcement of a 90-day tariff pause has provided a significant boost to leveraged exchange-traded funds, particularly SOXL, which is designed to amplify returns on semiconductor stocks. This news follows a period of volatility within the semiconductor sector caused by tariffs and reduced demand, which had previously led to a substantial decline in SOXL's value. Analysts suggest that the exchange-traded fund may be nearing a bottom, with key semiconductor companies like Texas Instruments and NVIDIA now trading at attractive valuations. In the short term, the positive sentiment from the tariff pause could lead to increased investment in SOXL as traders look to capitalize on potential rebounds in semiconductor prices. However, investors should remain cautious given ongoing concerns about competition in the artificial intelligence graphics processing unit market, particularly from companies like Google and Amazon, which pose risks to major players such as NVIDIA. Long-term, while current valuations appear cheap, the durability of the semiconductor sector's recovery will largely depend on broader economic conditions and technological advancements. If the sector demonstrates resilience and growth, SOXL could see a marked price increase. Conversely, If competitive pressures and market volatility persist, there could be further challenges ahead. Investors need to weigh these factors as they consider SOXL's potential for future gains. The following signals have been identified for SOX. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SOX exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal derived from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. As the price corrects upward, resistance will be encountered at levels of $10.89 and $18.54. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 9, 2025, and the price has since declined by 24.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 79 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 171 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $9.15, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $2.79 between its high and low, representing a change of 33.33%. For the past week, the ETF exhibited an average daily volatility of 42.91%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $11.41. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL meets its first support level at $9.15. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and currently, there is no stop loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL presents several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our rating for this ETF from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we anticipate SOXL will open higher by approximately 0.0783 and begin trading at 9.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.